here's how to make a super easy Iron Man mech. You're gonna want all these items. You're gonna want one bag pointing downwards like this. Like so. Then you're gonna want another one on the side like this. Oh, make sure they're both the right side. Sticking up. Then you're gonna want 2 ogre hands. You want to stick it on top of the bag like this. Then you want 2 ogre hands. Stick it right on like that. These will be the hands for our Iron Man mech. Then you're gonna want to add 2 backpacks on the bottom of the mech. Like this. Then you're gonna want to stick 2 plungers. Scoop. After that, you're gonna want to grab the hover pad. We're gonna actually need 2 more hover pads. And you want to stick them to the bottom of the plungers, like this. Make sure they're straight so you don't go wonky donk. And after that, you got your mech.